Volvo is here with the 2025 EX40 and EC40. Do those names not ring a bell? Well, they're new names because they just got changed and there's a black edition. I'll explain it all. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where Volvo announced that the XC40 Recharge and C40 Recharge are now called the EX40 and EC40 as a part of the latest model year updates. The fully electric SUVs also benefit from a power boost for the twin motor powertrain and are now available in dark themed black edition trims. Now the new names bring the EX40 and EC40 more in line with the rest of Volvo's fully electric lineup, the EX30, EX90, and EM90. It also helps that the EX40 will further differentiate from the ICE-powered XC40, which keeps its old name, making it easier for customers to tell apart the EVs from the hybrids. Speaking of which, the plug-in hybrid trims of the XC40 lose the Recharge badging and are simply called the T6 and T8. I know it's a lot, hang in there with me. Now, besides the new emblems on the tailgate, well, the EX40 and EC40 twin motor variants benefit from the new performance software pack, which adds 34 horses, 25 kilowatts, and 34 PS of power alongside a new pedal mapping for quicker accelerating response. Now, the full 436 horsepower, 325 kilowatts, 442 PS is accessible through a performance driving mode. The same treatment will also be available for the previous model year in 2024 in selected markets as a part of an optional over-the-air update. Now, those who love the murdered outlook of the Volvo XC60 Black Edition will be happy to learn that there's an XC40, EX40, and EC40 that are now available with the same spec. The Onyx black exterior shade is combined with high gloss black badging and a matching finish for the 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Now inside, the black edition models are available with either Microtech or textile charcoal upholstery, and all trims come standard with Google built in. Now, Volvo remains committed to becoming an EV-only automaker by 2030. And last year, electric cars accounted for 16% of Volvo's global sales volume. Now, this number may not sound impressive, but it represents a 70% year-to-year increase and is expected to go further in 2024. And that's thanks to the upcoming EV launches. Now, besides the EX30, EX40, EC40, EX90, and EM90, well, Volvo promised that there will be several new models that will join the zero emissions lineup in the near future. And as a final note, Volvo added a more efficient mild hybrid gasoline engine to the B5 trims of the XC60 and XC90, reducing CO2 emissions and improving fuel efficiency by 4% and 2% respectively. So with that said, what are you guys thinking about the black editions and the new names of the Volvo EX40 and EC40? Drop those comments down below, and if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss one video, and we will see you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.